everyone and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to install a winter cover on your above ground pool. Before we get started, let's go over some of our recommended tools. You will need a winter pool cover, make sure it's the right size for your pool, cable and winch, a skimmer, winterizing pool chemicals, an air pillow for ice expansion, cover wrap, pool brush, and a helper. We will be linking these recommended items in the description. The first steps are to prep your pool. Skim the surface for any leaves or debris, brush the walls and the floor, and vacuum if necessary. You also want to balance your water chemistry according to your winterizing chemical instructions. This would also be when you would remove your in-pool step or ladder. We make things easy and have a few winterizing kits for your pool. We have chlorine, pool frog, and Baqusel kits available. If you live in a region with freezing winters, an air pillow is essential for your above ground pool. It acts as a cushion under your winter cover, protecting your pool walls from damaging pressure of expanding ice. First, you would secure the rope to the grommet. Then you would center the air pillow on the pool. Once you have your air pillow in place, you secure the rope. Now it's time for the cover. During the entire process with the cover, it is important to look out for any sharp or rough surfaces to protect your cover. With your helper, carefully lay out the cover on the ground and start threading the cable through the grommets. The cable must remain on the outside of the cover except for when it is in between pairs of grommets. Once the cable is through the grommets, you carefully lift the cover up over the pool. This is another important time to watch out for anything sharp or abrasive. If you're using an air pillow, try to lift the cover up over the air pillow so that you don't detach it. Next, we'll connect the cable to the winch. Insert one cable on through the hole at the end of the winch and into the center spindle. Turn the spindle a few times to secure the cable. Then, insert the other cable through the other hole and pull through the spindle as far as it will go. Turn the winch and handle to tighten the cable. While the cable is being tightened, have your helper walk around the pool to ensure that the cover is correctly sitting on the outside of the pool's edge. Now let's secure this cover from high winds. One of the easiest ways to secure the cover from damaging winds is with the cover wrap. It is a UV inhibited, super strong wrap that you wrap around the edge of the pool to prevent the wind from picking it up. Now we have cleaned and winterized pool water, air pillow to protect against ice expansion, high quality winter cover wrap to protect against the wind, and this pool is ready for the winter. If you have any questions, contact us. You can call us or text us at 866-736-0732.